y'all, welcome back to the channel. Mississippi girl, live country girl, prepper. So y'all, I want to do a video on, and I've done this video before. I'm redoing some videos because it's new people, okay? So I'm updating videos because there are some people that probably forgot about the video, don't know how to find the video, never saw the video, whatnot, and hopefully this will give somebody some ideas, okay? So this right here, sorry y'all, my allergies acting up, okay? I've been outside in Amazing Grace Garden today, and yeah, it gets me every time. But this is a Walmart emergency kit that I had got a couple years back from Walmart. Actually, it was over in the clearance section, and I think I got these for like $2, okay? I don't know what the price of them is now because it's different in every area. Excuse me, it's different in every area, but this is the 2-person emergency kit, okay? And I'm gonna go through it and tell y'all what is in it. All right, so this is a 2-person kit, and this is how small the backpack is for this particular one. And the brand is Ready America, okay? Ready America. So let me bring y'all down. You may not be able to see me so good. Well, you can a little bit, but that way you can see. So you have a zipper right here. Go ahead and, okay, this one ain't been open. Hold on, because I got one. So with this though, when they was $2 and something, when they was clear, they was on the clearance thing, I went on and got all of them that they had. So see, I know I got one that's one that is open, okay, because I have 4 in total, y'all. I have 4 in total. Okay, yeah, this one ain't nothing been taken out, but like I say, I had did this video a long time ago. It's been quite some time, okay, that I did it. So I had got 4. It was 4 left on the shelf, and I went on and got all of them, okay? So here we go, okay? 2-person emergency kit. So in the front part right here, you have this is the little card thingy, Ready America. It's a cut out and place in your wallet. So this is like emergency emergency communication plan and contacts. You get 2 of them, and you would, you know, because it's a 2-person, put that and put it in your wallet or whatnot. That way if somebody find you, or if you're in distress or something, whatnot, they'll have information to be able to try to contact somebody if that's possible, okay? Then you have a first aid pocket kit, all right? Ready America. And in here you have 1 plastic carrying case. This right here, I ain't got no nails, so you have a first aid guide. You have 3/4 by 3-inch adhesive bandages. You got 6 of those. You got 10 3/8 by 1 and 1.5 junior bandages. You got 10 of those. You got 1 1.5 by 1.5 patch bandages. You got 1 of those. You got 1 large butterfly wound closure. You got 3 alcohol cleansing wipes, 3 antiseptic cleansing wipes, 1 antibiotic ointment pack, and 6 ibuprofen tablets. Yes, ibuprofen tablets in here, okay? So that's what comes in here. I haven't opened it, okay? And also in this pouch you got 2 survival blankets, okay? 2 survival blankets and a whistle. You need a whistle just so you get caved in somewhere and you can hear help come. But all you may be able to do is to blow out this whistle. Or you probably can yell but can't yell as loud. This whistle may get louder. So you always need a whistle in your preps, okay? Alright. Put this back. I always want to put all my stuff back because I don't want to lose nothing. And like when you find these kits on sale, and you buy them, somebody be like, why you buying them? Because they have different stuff in it. And sometimes when they have the same in it, it's 5 people in this house. You know, you can, you know, if it's the same thing, everybody can get a whistle on. It might be different ones, but y'all get what I'm saying. So it's always good to have this stuff in the case of an emergency. And with everything going on, we need to have this stuff, okay? We need to have this stuff. So I try to do it on a budget. Alright. In this part right here, we got Ken lights. I call these Ken lights. I call these Ken lights because that's what we would have when we was well, that's what they would have on base. When we lived on base, we would call these Ken lights, you know. So I'm used to it because well, actually I call them glow sticks, but when I met Oronde, he called them Ken lights. And so, you know, when we would go and get glow sticks or whatnot on base, we would have the glow sticks for like events and whatnot, and he'd be like, Ken lights, where are the Ken lights? You know, whether you get them from Dollar Tree, Wal-Mart, or whatever, we always call them Ken lights. Alright, y'all, so like I said, the Ken lights. I guess I don't know. I guess military, they call them Ken lights. So it rubbed off on me to call them Ken lights. I got used to it hearing him call them that. Alright, so next there's a little baggie in here. And it has 2 disposable face masks. And it has gloves. Gloves, okay? That is what's in there. Okay? Try to get the air out of it. Alright. Then it has 2 emergency ponchos. Okay. Oh. And another Ken light. So it's 2 Ken lights. Alright. Then we have these Mayday. One of my other survival bags, the one from Stealth Angels, has the same brand, the Mayday. And I know you can get them on Amazon. So it's 2 of these 5-year shelf life non-thirst provoking Mayday bars, okay? And it's 6 bars in each one, okay? So that's supposed to be like your food, okay? And then last but certainly not least, emergency drinking water. Alright, and that's what's in this box. Now definitely you'll take this stuff out. I gotta one day get down to it, taking this stuff out. Okay, so it's 6, so it'll be 6 for each person. So this is a 2-day. Yeah, because my Stealth Angels got to be a 5-day. But anyway, this right here, you get 6. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6. So a total of 12. You get 6 per person. I guess that's what they're looking at. This is the Mayday brand. Okay. Yeah, so you get a total of 12 of these, and they come in here, and it's a 5-year shelf life, U.S. Coast Guard approved. Okay, that's what you get in here, and that is one of these Wal-Mart two-person emergency bags. Okay, and I have 4 of these. 4 of these, okay, because that's what they had. I don't know if I said this because it must have fell out, and you got a pocket tissue. Okay, so put this stuff back in here. So if y'all come across these or you look them up online or whatnot, you will have an idea depending on which one. I don't know if Ready America have more. I'm pretty sure they probably do, more stuff. So if you would go to Ready America Survival Kits emergencybags.com, and I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that. So yeah, so and this is just a little backpack, okay, with all that stuff in it. All right, so yeah, so that is what well, I know it be at Walmart. I don't know if any other places sell this, like it's a glow or something. I don't know if any other survival places carry these, like, well, not really survival places like Academy Sports or places like that, but I know these, I've only seen these at Walmart. Okay, I don't even know if Walmart still have them, because I've had mine for a couple years now. Okay, so yeah, so with that being said, I hope this helps somebody. I hope it give you some ideas. I hope it motivates you to, you know, get as much as you can, because we're gonna need it. Okay, so with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Thank y'all for coming in. I appreciate it so much. I hope it inspired somebody, motivated somebody, gave you some ideas, and I will talk to you in the next one, if it's God's will. Y'all please be safe. Okay, until next time, bye.